Good morning, dear students. Today I have come to you with a new question. You may please open your textbook and look into the model question paper number 1 given at the end of your English textbook, and then read the question number 631. What is the instruction you may find there? Read the following passage and make notes by drawing and filling the boxes. Make notes, that is important. You should learn to make notes. Suppose that your father is giving you some instructions regarding going to market and purchasing some vegetables you need in your house, because there is a small function in your house. Imagine giving rupees some say 500, he asks you to bring some vegetables. He has stood in front of you. He has handed over rupees 500 to you. You have taken that money and the money is with you now. Now he continues to speak. You should be attentive at his every word. Otherwise, you won't be successful to fulfill his requirement or the requirement of the family. You should be quite attentive. What he says is important. You should listen to him carefully. What may be the contents of his speech? It is consisting of the names of the vegetables, the quantity, and the amount you are permitted to spend. Finally, he may conclude his instructions that don't exceed the amount than what I have given. Your marketing should be completed within 500. It may be 450, it may be 475, up to 490. You should try to save at least a few rupees out of the money he has given. In the market, you should not stand helpless having spent all the 500, and you should not be in need of some 100 rupees to spend for the fuel for your two-wheeler. So, in the same way, what I mean to say here is, look at the question once again. There will be a small paragraph of 5 to 8 sentences. It won't be more long. It will be always consisting of some 5 to 8 sentences. And what is the instruction? Read the following passage, and after that, draw boxes as shown in the question paper and fill the boxes. So what do you need then? First, you should read it very, very carefully. And what should your reading should be consisting of? You should develop reading skills. Reading is not simply sitting murmuring the words printed in the pages. As and when you begin to read, you should be attentive at each and every word, and you should try to comprehend. You should comprehend everything that each sentence says in the passage. So, you should have these merits. I shall tell you what they are. Quick comprehension is the basic thing. What do you mean by this? You should not spend much time just in reading and understanding what is given in these 5 to 8 sentences. By the end of very first reading, you should have the knowledge of what there is in the passage. Secondly, it needs screening. Thirdly, it needs analysis. These are reading skills. Then, at the same time, you should learn to point out important things. The passage is consisting of things like, or points like, names of persons, names of places, and sometimes there would be dates, sometimes there would be years if it is a historical narration. If it is a narration of a historical event, suppose I shall tell you the passage is about the Taj Mahal. Suppose the passage is about the Taj Mahal, and the passage would be consisting of where the monument is, who built it, when it was built, how many workers were involved, why it was built, when the construction was over, date, year. It would be consisting of all these things like names of important persons, date, year, place. By the end of a very first reading, you should be able to remember and answer the question, which is simply to fill the 8 boxes. Dear students, remember my words that if at all you are trying to find a very easy question in the question paper of second year, it is this question. Make notes. Question number 631. It carries 4 marks. Even a primary school boy can do this. Even a very simple primary school boy can do this. That's why I shall tell you again. If at all you are trying to find, if at all you are trying to seek the most easy question in this question paper of second year, it is this one. So, don't fail to earn all the 4 marks in your annual examination this year. I request you this to every one of you. An example is written on the blackboard. Look at the blackboard. What does it read? Question number 631. Read the following passage and make notes by drawing and filling the boxes. And the passage is given. See how short it is. This content is taken from the last lesson where there is a whale. Yes. Fatima is a secondary school teacher, so addicted to cycling that she hires a bicycle for half an hour each evening. She cannot afford to buy one bicycle because a bicycle costs rupees 1200. If you go to market and ask the shopkeeper for the price of a bicycle, you will be shocked. You will be shocked to know the price of a bicycle. It is here. Once upon a time, the price of the bicycle was 1200. Even less than that. Some 30 years ago, some 30 to 40 years ago, the cost of a bicycle in the market did not exceed 1,500. The best of those was sold at the cost of 1,500. Yes, let it be, but it is historical situation. She has found, here the word she refers to Fatima, she has found freedom in cycling. young women have trained scores of other young women in the art of cycling. 8 boxes are made here. Fatima is a secondary school teacher. Answer I am telling. Addicted to cycling. Everything is there. Just some 1 or 2 words are written above each box. Look at the box. Look at the word or words written above the box and try to find the answer. You will very easily answer this question. You can very easily fill all the boxes. What you need is, as I have already told, you should learn to point out at every important factor or information related to person, place, date, event, etc. And by this way, you can answer this question very easily and you can get all the 4 marks just by being sincere. Sincere effort. Yes, with this I close my today's online class and tomorrow I shall come with one more example. I hope that you will open the textbook to see what is suggested to do. Please do that. Unless and until you are sincere to your teachers, to your studies, to your responsibility, you won't be successful. Please remember my words. Also, please remember to keep the distance and be healthy, be happy, be successful. Thank you. With this, I close my today's class.